Yo, I am Nivairo and this is my brand new track called Memes. It's the official follow-up for The Floor is Lava. So let me know what you think of it. Enjoy!
Yo, Domestic here. I'm glad to be on the NCS album with my track Forever. Forever is a melodic future house track with a high energy drop. My goal with this project was to create a catchy song with some fresh sound design. I'm really happy with the final results and I hope you guys enjoy it as well.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
sink. Finally,
Hey guys, we're Sinner's Heist, and you're listening to our new track called Streetlight People, featuring Harley Bird.
The project started with Harley first sending us an acoustic version of the track, which immediately inspired us, so we started rewriting the instrumental.
Our goal was to potentiate the dark and chilling vibe from his vocals using effects and various elements, and then create a prevailing and energetic drop.
We had a blast making it and hope you guys enjoy it as well.
Hi, I'm Floating Your Boat, and me and Chris Linden are bringing you a track on NCS called Holding On. I was really honoured to find out that Chris actually wanted to work with me. He was an absolute wonder to work with, and there's no surprise as to why he's been on so many huge tracks already. So I obviously jumped at the opportunity. The track is very personal, as it's about being stuck in a loop, living the same old life and being too afraid to take risks to accomplish more. I think this really resonated with me and Chris and led to the synergy and flow in creating this track. I hope this song clicks with and inspires you guys and causes the same serendipity it did with me. Thank you.
I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm